Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. How to write the Hindi letter na of T work, that is T family, the consonant na, and also let's see how to. What are the words which start which has na? Are there words? Are there any words which start with na? And also the tip. Okay, so let's get into tracing first. So this is na for us. So now, how do we trace? It is very simple. Again, it looks like an English letter, right? So this is English letter U. Yes, English letter U with a standing line beside it and a sleeping line over it. So this is na, na. You have to touch your tongue to the roof of the mouth. So na, na. This is na. Let's do it again. English letter U, a standing line beside it and a sleeping line over it. So this is Hindi letter na. And let's do it one last time. That is English letter U with a standing line beside it and a sleeping line running over it. So this is na. So this is the letter na. And we don't have any words which start with which starts with letter na. However, we have certain words where the na is used as the second letter. Like we have ban. Ban, we have ba plus na, which is the arrow. And we also have veena, which is also the second letter. It is veena. So these are the words which has na in it, but doesn't start with na. Yes, so this is about letter na. And let's see the tip of the day. So the tip is about, again, it is a parenting tip where the 5 questions, being a parent, what you have to speak with your child at the end of the day. It may be while sleeping, before sleeping. You can just have a little conversation with them, not much. Don't give extra time for them to just go on speaking. Just ask them to give short answers. Like you can ask them, what thing, which incident made them feel that I was so kind to somebody today. The whole day you behaved, you went to school, you played with your friends, everything. So which made you to feel that, yes, I was so kind? And then what questions did you ask today? So what were the doubts you had today? Maybe in the class, maybe with me as a mother or a father, or what were the questions you asked? What did you wanted to know today? And what is the one thing you learned today? One new thing. We learn many things every day. So what is one thing you remember that you learned today and the new thing? And then what was your favorite mistake? So you can just say, did you commit any mistake? If yes, how did you like it? Did you like doing it? See, your child can say that, Mama, I made a mistake having an ice cream. So just ask them, have fun, not always being strict. Have fun saying, did you like having the ice cream? When they say yes, okay, fine. Not always, but mistakes. If you do, if you know that, if you recognize that it's a mistake, that's really a great thing. Encourage them in such a way so that they will be more positively approaching towards you to say that, yes, this was my experience. And then, how can you make tomorrow a better one, a great one? So tomorrow, how would you like to do? See, you made a mistake today. So what you would like to work on yourself so that you don't repeat this mistake? And how would you like to spend your day tomorrow? How have you wanted to be a great one? So just talk to them, ask them to give short answers, because it's always very important for the parent to also inculcate the habit of talking in a short manner, not just running around the bushes, just giving the right answer. Yes. So you just give them a timer saying, Beta, you have 10 minutes now. We are going to talk about this. Give me your answers. That's it. Done. So this is how you can speak to your child, where there is a lot of relation bond developing with you and your child also, and also a kind of emotions sharing, empathy sharing is happening there. Even you can share yours to your child and have a happy and a great sound sleep. Thank you so much. Let me meet you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more such videos and tips on parenting. Thank you so much. Namaste.